The best paying affiliate programs in 2026 are not where most people are looking. They're not in random gadgets, they're not in trendy apps, and they're definitely not in low ticket offers that require thousands of clicks just to make a few $100s. They're in the LLC niche, and once you really understand how the space works, it starts to look a lot less like affiliate marketing and more like leverage. Because when someone searches how to start an LLC, they're not casually browsing. They're about to take action. They're serious, they're starting something real, and that kind of buyer intent completely changes the math. So in this video, I'm going to break down why the LLC niche is one of the biggest affiliate gold mines in 2026, which programs pay the most, and why, if you're serious about affiliate marketing, this is a space you should absolutely be paying attention to. And if you want direct access to the program I've personally been promoting for a while now, I've put my sign up link in the description and pinned comment below. So let's get into it. Now here's what most affiliate marketers miss. When someone clicks on a tech product review or a random Amazon link, that purchase is optional. But when someone searches form an LLC online, that's not optional spending. That's a required step in building a business. They either file it themselves or they use a service. There's no in between. And because forming an LLC is such a critical step for entrepreneurs, the companies in this space can afford to pay much higher commissions than most niches. We're not talking about $10 per sign up. We're talking about payouts that can go up to $250 per conversion. And that changes everything. Now, in terms of the strongest paying affiliate program in this space right now, Tailor Brands is easily one of the most competitive. I've been promoting them consistently for a while, so I've seen how it performs and how well it converts in business-related content. They pay up to $250 per LLC formed through your link. Their light plan pays $50 per sign up, their essential plan pays $150 per sign up, and their elite plan pays $250 per sign up. So even if someone doesn't choose the highest plan, you're still earning serious commissions compared to most affiliate programs out there. And when you're creating content around high intent keywords like how to start an LLC, LLC versus sole proprietorship, or do I need an LLC for my side hustle, you're tapping into traffic that is already primed to convert. That's the key difference. Now compare that to typical affiliate programs. Most require massive traffic volume because the payout is small. You might earn $5 here, $12 there, maybe $20 if you're lucky. But with $150 or $250 commission, you don't need huge numbers to see meaningful income. Even a few solid conversions per month can outperform dozens of smaller affiliate offers. And because the LLC niche ties directly into entrepreneurship, freelancing, e-commerce, consulting, and side hustles, it fits naturally into a lot of content categories. You're not forcing an offer into your audience. You're offering a logical next step. Now, yes, you could go find their affiliate page on your own, but if you're going to join, use my link. Because I've been promoting Tailor Brands for a while now, I've built real communication with their affiliate side, and I understand how their structure works, and I know what converts best in this niche. So instead of applying blind and figuring everything out from scratch, you're coming in through someone who already understands how this ecosystem works. That matters. You're plugging into something tested, not guessing. And if you're serious about positioning yourself in the LLC niche long term, that small edge makes a difference. Now, this is ideal if you create content around entrepreneurship, side hustles, freelancing, e-commerce, tax advice, small business finance, etc. If your audience is even thinking about starting a business, at some point they need to form an LLC. So instead of just explaining the process and sending them to a government website, you can offer a simplified solution and monetize the traffic properly. That's leverage. Now, this isn't about spamming links. This is about creating problem-solving content. Videos like how to start an LLC in 2026, do you need an LLC for your online business, or how to form an LLC without a lawyer naturally lead into recommending a formation service. And because the traffic is high intent, conversions tend to be much stronger than in entertainment style niches. You're solving a real problem at the exact moment someone is ready to act. Now, is this effortless? No, you still need content, you still need consistency, you still need trust with your audience. But the difference is you're not grinding for tiny commissions anymore. You're positioning yourself in a niche where even a small number of conversions can generate meaningful income. And in 2026, that kind of leverage is what separates casual affiliate marketers from serious ones. If you've been looking for one of the best paying affiliate programs in 2026, especially in the business space, the LLC Niche is absolutely worth exploring. And if you want to join the program I've been promoting and testing myself, use my affiliate sign up link in the description or pinned comment below so you can get started the smart way. If this breakdown helped you see the bigger opportunity here, give this video a thumbs up so more creators can find it too. Subscribe for more strategies around affiliate marketing, business content, and building scalable income streams. I'll see you in the next video.